Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Electropixels. In today's video, we're repairing a 32-inch Samsung Edgelit Full HD LED TV that came in with a complete no backlight issue. After carefully opening the TV and inspecting the backlight assembly, we found that most of the LEDs on the Edge-type LED strip had failed due to shorting and overheating. In Edgelit TVs, all the light is produced from a single side and is distributed evenly across the screen through a prism light guide. When multiple LEDs fail, replacing individual LEDs is not a reliable solution, as the remaining LEDs have already aged and may fail again. To ensure long-term performance and uniform brightness, we replaced the entire LED strip with a brand new original Samsung replacement that perfectly matches the TV's specifications. After installation, we tested the backlight and confirmed that it was operating perfectly. We then carefully reassembled the reflector, diffuser sheets, and LCD panel, followed by a final quality inspection. As you can see, the TV now produces a bright, uniform, and crystal clear picture, indicating that the repair has been completed successfully. We hope this video helps you understand the importance of using genuine replacement parts and following the correct repair procedure. If you found this video informative, please support Electropixels by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you never miss our latest TV repair tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.